Are you ready for the next big thing in crypto? Vertus Mining is about to hit Binance, and everyone's asking the same questions. When is the listing? How do we withdraw? And what could the price be at launch? In this video, I'm breaking it all down. Listing dates, withdrawal steps, and most importantly, a huge price prediction that you don't want to miss. Stay till the end because this could be your chance to get ahead of the game. Can Vertus Mining's airdrop really make it to Binance? And if it does, what's the realistic price prediction? Could it actually hit $1? In this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know, from the potential Binance listing to withdrawal processes, market sentiment, and price forecasts. I'll walk you through the critical factors driving Vertus Mining's value, compare it with similar projects, and discuss whether $1 is achievable or just a dream. Stick around until the end because I've got some insights and strategies that could help you make the most of this opportunity. First off, Vertus Mining has already confirmed its listing on 4 top-tier exchanges, which is a significant achievement and a major step toward gaining exposure and liquidity in the market. Now, here's where it gets interesting. There's still one more exchange under discussion, and speculation is running wild about what this final platform could be. Could this highly anticipated 5th exchange be Binance, one of the biggest and most influential crypto exchanges in the world? While there's no official confirmation yet, all signs point to a strong possibility given Binance's history of onboarding promising projects like this. If a Binance listing does happen, the impact could be massive. Binance has millions of active users, huge daily trading volumes, and unparalleled global reach, which could skyrocket Vertus Mining's visibility and demand. That kind of exposure often drives prices up rapidly, as we've seen with other tokens that have launched on Binance in the past. But what does this mean for the price of Vertus Mining, and more importantly, your potential profits? Could it surge to $1 or even beyond? Let's break this down further, analyze the numbers, and explore what this listing could mean for both short-term gains and long-term potential. Let's start with the numbers, because at the end of the day, data doesn't lie. Based on our previous analysis and projections, if Vertus Mining lists with an initial market cap of $400 million, the token price could settle around 33 cents. This would already be a solid entry point for early investors and a strong start for a newly listed token. Now, let's consider the bigger picture. If the market cap expands to $1.2 billion, which is entirely possible given growing investor interest, exchange listings, and positive market sentiment, the price could skyrocket to $1 or even slightly higher. However, it's important to keep expectations realistic. This type of growth might not happen immediately. Typically, after a listing, there's a lot of volatility as early adopters sell off while new buyers jump in. But over the next few months, as more people become aware of Vertus Mining and its potential utility, and if broader market trends remain bullish, this $1 target could very well become a reality. A lot will depend on a few key factors: how the token performs right after listing, how much liquidity the market brings in, and whether larger exchanges, like Binance, step in to add further credibility. Combine that with positive sentiment in the overall crypto market, and we could see Vertus Mining's market cap climb steadily toward that billion-dollar range. So, while hitting $1 might sound ambitious to some, history has shown us that projects with strong fundamentals, active communities, and strategic listings on major exchanges can achieve these milestones faster than expected. Keep watching, because this could turn into a huge opportunity for those who position themselves early. Let's put this into perspective with a real-world example so you can see the potential returns clearly. Imagine you've earned 5,000 points from Vertus Mining's airdrop or other rewards. If these points are converted into tokens at a 1-to-1 ratio, meaning 5,000 points become 5,000 tokens, then let's do the math. At an initial price of 33 cents per token, your 5,000 tokens would be worth $1,650. That's already a great return for something you've accumulated through rewards or tasks. But here's where it gets exciting. If the price of the token climbs to $1, which, as we discussed earlier, is a very realistic target with a market cap of $1.2 billion, your 5,000 tokens would now be worth a staggering $5,000. That's more than tripling your value just by holding onto your tokens and letting the market play out. This kind of growth isn't unheard of, especially for projects with strong exchange listings, a solid community backing, and favorable market conditions. Many tokens that started small have hit $1 or more in just a few months as interest and demand surged. So, whether you're starting with 5,000 points or even more, the potential upside here is massive. Of course, patience and timing are key, but the numbers clearly show how this opportunity could turn into significant profits for those who hold their positions strategically. Stick around because I'll share more insights and strategies to help you maximize your gains as we continue breaking this down. Now, let's talk strategy to maximize your earnings before the December 27th listing. The key to success lies in being consistent and taking advantage of every opportunity the platform offers. First, make it a habit to log in daily and claim your hourly rewards. This simple action might seem small, but over time, these rewards add up significantly. Remember, consistency is crucial here. Missing out on even a single day means leaving tokens on the table. Next, take full advantage of the missions section within the app. Completing these tasks can earn you additional tokens, and some missions are particularly rewarding, offering as much as 20 extra tokens for minimal effort. Keep an eye on this section and make it part of your daily routine to maximize your earnings. Another great way to stack up tokens is by solving the daily cipher codes. These puzzles are a fun and interactive way to earn even more rewards. If you ever find yourself stuck on a tricky cipher, don't worry, solutions are often shared on Twitter and within the community, so you can quickly grab the correct answer and claim your rewards without frustration. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of inviting friends. By sharing your referral link and spreading the word about Vertus Mining, you can effortlessly earn bonus tokens whenever your friends join and participate. Referrals are a simple yet highly effective way to grow your token count, and the more people you invite, the higher your potential rewards. By combining these strategies, consistent daily claims, completing missions, solving ciphers, and leveraging referrals, you'll put yourself in the best position to maximize your earnings ahead of the listing. Every token counts, and with the potential price predictions we discussed earlier, these efforts could translate into significant profits. So stay active, stay consistent, and make the most of this opportunity before December 27th. Remember, my strategy is all about balancing risk and reward to make the most out of this opportunity. At the listing, I plan to sell 80% of my tokens to lock in immediate profits. This approach ensures that I secure a solid return up front without exposing myself entirely to post-listing volatility. It's a smart move because, as we've seen with many listings, the price tends to experience an initial spike followed by a sharp drop as early investors cash out. However, I won't be completely out of the game. I'll hold on to 20% of my tokens for the potential price rise after the listing. This smaller portion is a calculated bet on the possibility of a post-listing rally, which often occurs as the market stabilizes and demand from new investors kicks in. If the token starts gaining momentum and the price rises, this 20% could still yield substantial returns. Now, here's where it gets even more strategic. If the price dips after the listing, which is a common occurrence, I'll use that opportunity to buy back more tokens during the correction phase. Why? Because market corrections often set the stage for a rebound, especially if there's strong long-term interest in the project. By buying back at a lower price, I can increase my token holdings and position myself to capitalize on the next price surge. In short, this strategy gives me the best of both worlds: immediate profits from the 80% I sell, and future growth potential with the 20% I hold, all while keeping a close eye on the market for any buyback opportunities. This way, I'm minimizing risk, securing profits, and still staying in the game for the long run. If you're looking to maximize your gains, consider adopting a similar approach, but always adjust it based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. While listing on Binance is speculation for now, the listing on top-tier exchanges like Gate.io, Bybit, and OKX is already confirmed. Even without Binance, there's massive profit potential here. Don't miss out, stay active, complete missions, and maximize your rewards. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates on Vertus and other top airdrops. That's it for this video. Let me know in the comments what you think. Will Vertus list on Binance? How many tokens have you collected so far? I'll see you in the next one.